What's going to pull the luster off Tesla? Big market cap for a company that's only going to produce maybe just 500,000 car bogey for this year.
Number one, if you look at batteries, they don't make their own batteries. They buy batteries from Panasonic, CATL, and LG.
What is up, everyone? Welcome to Electric Invest. My name is Michael, and today I want to talk about some important news about Tesla. Obviously, you guys have already heard about the news that Tesla achieved finally 500,000 vehicles delivered and produced. Now I already know some of you in the comments are ready to tell me, whoa, but technically Tesla missed 450 vehicles. Hold on, I'm going to talk about what really happened and why Tesla really can get away with saying such a thing, even though it missed 450 vehicles. I'm also going to be talking about some important Tesla news, as well as what we can expect for next week. So if this sounds like something you guys are interested on, don't forget to subscribe to Electric Invest and make sure to hit the notification bell so that way you don't miss the next video. Let's begin. So I want to start by saying, first and foremost, congratulations to everybody who held their Tesla shares despite the pandemic, despite the sell-offs, despite the short sellers, despite all of the naysayers, everybody who kept saying that Tesla was going to be crashing. We already know that even as of today in 2021, people like Gordon Johnson still have a Tesla price target to only $40 a share. That's right. I'm not even joking. You guys can Google it. He is totally off the park. I mean, Chanos is another Tesla short seller. And you know, with the shorts this year and the Tesla killer, we have had more than reasons to be laughing and enjoying ourselves when it comes to the disparity between them and what's actually happening. But jumping straight to it, Tesla reported just 2 days ago that they actually achieved 500,000 vehicles produced and delivered. And specifically for Q4, the numbers were 175,757 vehicles produced for Q4 and delivering over 180,570. Now, this was a key number that a lot of us were talking about because Tesla needed to hit over 180K vehicles in Q4 to be able to achieve the 500,000 vehicle deliveries as a goal for 2020. Now, we do know that they ended up producing 509,737 vehicles and delivering 499,550. Now that means that essentially, technically speaking, they missed 450. But here's the thing that I want to point out that a lot of people are just not paying attention to, and I hate the fact that I have to point this out. If you guys look over here in the little fine print, which is not so fine, I mean, it's a pretty good size and it's a little bit gray, but you can see over here that Tesla specifically says our delivery count should be viewed as slightly conservative, as we only count a car delivery if it is transferred to the customer and all paperwork is correct. Final numbers could vary up to 0.5% or more. So what does this mean? That we could see up to 0.5% increase when it comes to the deliveries. I mean, come on, a lot of people would be complaining even if it was just one car. I can guarantee to you that if the deliveries in the numbers for Tesla Q4 Deliveries report would have said 499, 999, they would have still complained. Many, if not all, of the deliveries from the 450 vehicles that are missing for the 500K total were probably already delivered January 1st, January 2nd, or today. In other words, Tesla did indeed deliver over 500,000 vehicles. They just missed by 450 vehicles as of midnight of 2020 in the last day of 2020. There were many reports of the showrooms of Tesla being completely empty. I mean, Elon has been saying many times, many emails and tweets about Tesla having a high-class demand problem, and we have more than enough evidence to show that Tesla sells every single vehicle they produced. They just don't sell it exactly right away. They may sell it for the next quarter over, or maybe the next week over, because again, they literally just said to everybody, we cannot count a delivery if even one aspect of the delivery process wasn't completed. So unfortunately, Tesla's gonna have to report whatever vehicles they were able to do, even if they still delivered those 450 vehicles one day after. So that's the thing that gets me a little bit upset about a lot of people. Oh, but technically Tesla didn't finish. Facepalm, dude, Tesla still did it. even if it was a day later. But again, it's just something that I wanted to point out because it's just crazy, you know. Just before getting the Q4 report, we ended up getting the rumors that Tesla ended up crashing the site in which people were buying Tesla cars before the deliveries were done, in which reportedly Tesla ended up having over 100,000 orders in just 10 hours. Now, I know that this was a rumor, but many people are saying that this is pretty accurate. I still don't know for sure. You guys can correct me in the comment section below if indeed it ends up coming out that it wasn't true. But I do want to show you this video about people in China crowding the showrooms to see the Tesla Model Y for the first time. Take a look.
对，他肯定要上。
So, I mean, if this doesn't show you that Tesla has a strong demand in China, because a lot of people are saying, well, you know, no wonder. I mean, a lot of Chinese people are tired of secondhand fake items. So a lot of people love the fact that they can have a genuine Tesla literally made in China by Chinese employees, which is also helping the economy in China. It's helping you know, give money to those Chinese families. I can totally see why the demand is there. If that video that I just showed you doesn't convince you of the sentiment of the demand in China, I don't know what else will. We do have Dan Ives from Wedbush giving Tesla an estimated bull target of $1,000 a share specifically because of the demand in China. So this is something that a lot of people need to pay attention when it comes to investing into Tesla and what to look ahead, especially in the earnings reports and what's going to happen into 2021, because let me tell you, Tesla is planning on doing 500,000 deliveries from China alone in 2021. Even if they miss it and they get pretty close, it is still mind-blowing knowing that this year in 2020, they just about did that in the entirety globally. But moving along to the latest news from Tesla, there's one article that I want to talk about from Tesla Ratty, in which they're showing new drone footage in the air from the Shanghai factory in China, showing the massive amounts of production Model Ys that are ready to be delivered. And as you guys can see, this is extremely exciting. According to the report in Tesla Ratty, they said that image from drone operator Jason Zhang recently provided a view of the current activities in Giga Shanghai. So based on the footage captured by the site, the Phase 2 era, better known as the Model Y production facility, is now producing an all-electric crossover en masse. So numerous were the Model Y being produced at Giga Shanghai Phase 2 zone that the crossover actually outnumbered the Model 3 in the facility's holding. So this is huge. There are more Model Ys being produced in this facility in Shanghai in China than Model 3s, which are even more affordable for the Chinese people. So I can only imagine how humongous the numbers are going to be, because a lot of people say, hey, but this is just produced, this is not delivered. But Tesla has not had any problems selling every single Tesla that they have produced, because as of right now, the demand is larger than the amount that they can produce. And I can tell you right now that even if it doesn't get delivered right away, it is going to get delivered. I cannot wait to see what's gonna happen, and it's just so much excitement and that I can't even contain it. So let me know what you guys think about this video. What's your opinion about Tesla's deliveries? Do you think that Tesla is definitely going to reach 1 million vehicles in 2021? Where do you see Tesla stock for next week? Let me know in the comment section below. My name is Michael and you've been watching Electric Invest. If you like this information and you found it informational and you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. I also have a Twitter account in which I post regularly, in which you guys can interact with me, and that would be at electric_invest. I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.